Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Visio. In this module, I want to show you how you can link Excel data to a workflow diagram. So I've got the template selected, I'm clicking on it and I'm going to choose a blank option and then create, or you can double click on it. You get all the stencils that are part of this template, so quick shapes, arrow, department, workflow objects and steps. Now I want to just use the objects feature. Now I want to get some data from Excel and attach it to some of these objects. So first of all, to get the data from Excel, I need to go to the data tab, and on the left hand side you've got quick import, clicking on that, and then you need to either browse, or in my case I've already got the data sitting there. Click on that and then select done, and then it will bring the data in and you'll see it appear on the right hand side. Once it's finished, I'll click on done, and then you've got the fields from Excel sitting there. Now the way it works is whatever shape you select, so I've selected a person, you can then bring this onto the screen and then it drops that information on the screen. So at the moment the data graphics that's attached to this is what's sitting here, so I don't want that on. I want name and not the telephone number, department. So name and department. Now the data graphic that's displayed is not showing what I want, so I'm going into advanced data graphics. These are all the ones that have come preloaded. You can click on any of these or hover over them and have a look. None of these suit what I want, so I'm going to create a new data graphic and select new item, and then two things. I want name and I want that to sit as text, and I want it's on far right middle. I'll go far right top. It's got a label. I don't want a label, so let's get rid of that. No label. Click OK to that one, and then new item, same thing, department this time, and that wants to be text also, and it's sitting far right middle. That's actually okay. And then drop that down, not showing the label just because it takes up too much space. Click OK and then OK again. And do you want to apply this data graphic? Yes, I do. And then you get that sitting there like so. So now if I bring another person on, that's already set there. So as I bring these people on, or any shape that I decide to select over here, that is the data graphic that is set, and I've got it sitting there. Look, you can see the information going into shape data as well. So I'll just bring some more of these on like so. If you click on customer, that's the shape that will appear with the relevant shape data. Now these are not customers, so that doesn't really make sense, but if you had the data coming in that did have customers, you would be able to do that. Same with product. Whatever shape I bring, you can create that person. So I'll just get rid of that one. I've got it selected there, so drag the person on, and then that information's there. And last person, I'll go back to this one and bring them in. So that's quickly how you can get data from Excel into a Visio drawing, and then use the shape data and the data graphic fields to display the information you want. I don't know what that one's doing there. Oh yeah, that's right, I clicked on that one. So that's a different shape. So that was customer. I don't like that, so I'm getting rid of it. I'll get rid of that, so it's all the same on every one. So I'll just move this person over there, line it all up. And this is not a very good work process diagram, but the workflow diagram, but the idea is what I'm after here, linking data from Excel into shapes in Microsoft Visio. So hopefully this little video has been of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.